Folks, FZ Dreams 87 here again. It's Kevin, your host for this debacle of a restoration. Apologize for mumbling in the videos. Some of you have said they can't hear all my words. It's because I'm using a silly old iPhone here to tape everything instead of a GoPro and a proper professional setup. Just want to give you an update of where we are right now. We've probably never been in a better position. We called in a hired gun today. We called in a really good friend of ours, well, of mine, Colin Van Hatten, and he was able to remove the pilot jet out of the carburetors, which was stuck, which I could not get no matter what. We had to remove it. It just would not idle correctly, obviously, without that in the pilot circuit. Removed the jet, stubbornly got that jet cleaned. We also got the throttle shafts working nice and correctly in here. And they got great action. Got it running really, I mean, if any of you have been paying attention since when we first got it running a few weeks back or a week back, absolutely night and day. Where we are now is need of a carb sync. Again, I was not near as precise as I needed to be on the sync. So I'm gonna do another sync here. Take the carbs off again, do another sync. Make sure that when they're on, these clamps are all tight and snug, because they were not. They were just stuck in there. They fit really tight, but it was also causing a little bit of a leanness issue. And with no air box, it was also a little lean, and with a little bit of a small gas line here. How it downsizes an ID into the original tubing for the carbs. We started for a little bit of fuel and kept running out my little cylinder here. So we did have, if you watch episode 14, you'll see it running. You'll hear it running. But we're definitely getting there. And there was a lot of smoke that was blowing out of it when we first started. Man, oh man, out of that exhaust pipe, there was a lot of crud in there. Oily substance blowing out. A lot of stuff blowing out of the heads. Probably haven't even scratched the surface there because it was running so rough for so long with such bad carb adjustment. Or performance of the carbs, with the one sticking and never working right, not synced. It just threw everything out of whack, and there was just a lot of carbon in the system. So it was blowing. It was running better and better as it went. Very happy. Sort of exposure on the shot here. So the next order of business for those playing along at home, get that gas tank installed. It's been relined, as you know. Get the petcock sorted out for it. There's a kit on the way. At least wouldn't mind even just trying it on and seeing if it does leak. Getting everything hooked up correctly. Airbox. Get the battery secured. And the gas tank on. After the carb sync. After I've got it running and idling decently. And then, folks, the next step's right there. FZ Dreams. Till next time.